Happy morning, children. Today we are going to solve practice set 4.1, question number 6. Tip Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Now this you should understand that it is along with GST. So the total value is given to you. Taxable value plus GST is equal to total value. This is given to you. GST is already added. This you should understand in the question. So you have to first write total amount. What is the total amount is nothing but what is given here? Cost of the AC, because it is with GST. Because we have to solve the sum in the form of a formula. So what wordings are given here? And according to the formula which we will use, what is the meaning of it? That has to be understood. So cost of the AC is along with GST. So this will be the total value because GST is already added and given to you. So we will writing this as total amount, total value. The meaning is same only. So this we will write. And what is the next thing given? Rate of CGST is given as 14%. So these two things are given to you. So CGST rate is 14% and you have been asked to find SGST, rate of GST, then taxable value, total amount, amount of CGST and amount of SGST. So in all my sums which I have solved up till now, you must have seen I am all the time writing and giving you rate and amount so that you don't make mistakes. Now here when you see the rate, 14% is the rate, means for 100 rupees GST is rupees 14. That is the meaning of it. Now sorry, CGST is CGST on AC is 14%. So for 100 rupees CGST is rupees 40. That is the meaning. So CGST and SGST, they are equal. So if CGST is 14%, SGST will also be 14% and rate is given. So it will be in percentage, you will be writing it. Same way, rate of GST, what we will do? GST is what? Rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. Both the answers we got 14 14. So GST will be 14% plus 14%. That is 28%. So this two quickly you should be able to write it. Now taxable value of AC, this it will take time to find out the answer. So we will start with, so we have first written what is given to us, that is total amount. What it is written there in the sum? It is cost of AC with GST. So I have written here total amount is 51,200 and rate of CGST is 14%. Now first step is what? We have to find SGST. So we will write rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Then rate of SGST is equal to, what is rate of CGST? Here it is. So we are substituting 14%. So rate of SGST is 14%. Now next what we have to find? Rate of GST. Now to find rate of GST, very simple. What we will do? Rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST plus rate of CGST, which is equal to, what it is here, 14% and 14%. So that will be 28%. Now third, what we have to find? Taxable amount. See here, taxable value we have to find of AC. So I have written here, let the taxable amount or taxable value of AC be rupees M. So GST amount we have to find. For first, to find taxable amount directly quickly we will not get. To find the taxable amount we need to know GST also, because you remember we had done the earlier sums where we had written total value is equal to that sum which we had done. In that we needed taxable value plus GST. So we need to find, here we have just, because it will take time to find taxable amount. Okay, so taxable amount we have written it as M. So now what we will do here, we have already got taxable total value. Total value we have already got. Now taxable value we have to find. And GST amount if we know, then we will be able to quickly find out the taxable amount also. So GST we can easily find it out. Now how we will find GST? GST amount, rate of GST is given to us. So what we will do now? We will write rate of GST is, see here we have already found rate of GST. Rate of GST is 28%. So that is 28 upon 100. Taxable amount we know, we don't know. So we are taking it as M. So this is 28M upon 100 is our GST amount. Okay. Now till here, now still the variable M is there. Now how we will be doing it? Just now I told you total value. Now we will be forming an equation where we will write total value or total amount is equal to taxable amount or taxable value, taxable amount plus GST amount. Okay, so it's here also, so instead of value we can write amount. So I'll just write it down here, total amount. Okay, so all everywhere it will look amount plus GST amount. So now total amount is already given to us. What is the total amount? 51,200. So that is easy. Total amount we can write 51,200 is equal to taxable amount we don't know. We have taken it as M. So we will write M plus GST amount is 28M upon 100. 28M upon 100. Now an equation is formed. Okay. Now this we have to solve. Once we will solve this, we will get the value of M. Because there is only one variable. So we can easily get it. Now this you should be able to solve. So what we will get here nothing is there means 1. So the denominator, both denominator here also should be 100. Then only we can add the numerator. So we will equalize the denominator. For that what we will do here, multiply by 100. 1 is here, multiply by 100 plus 28M upon 100 is equal to 51,200. So we will get 51,200 is equal to M into 100 will be 100M upon 100 plus 28M upon 100. Now denominators are same, add the numerator. So we will get 128M upon 100. This 100 take it to LHS. This is divided by 100. So this will be, you have to multiply. 51,200 into 100 is equal to 128M. Now what we will do? Multiply. So we will get 51,200 into 100 upon 128 is equal to M. Now if you see 128 into 4, 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 11, 4 1s are 4, 5, 512. So 128 ones are 128 and 128 4s are 512 and this 0. So what answer we will get? We will get, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros means 40,000. So what we had written, taxable value be M. So what will be our conclusion? Therefore, what is M? It is taxable amount, or tax, as I said, is taxable value. Amount of AC is equal to rupees 40,000. Okay, like this you have to do the third sum, like third sub question. Now fourth one is what we have to find. That is easy. Total amount of GST. Now total amount of GST, what we have got, or already we have done. Total amount of GST, what we have got here, 28 M upon 100. Now we will substitute the value of M. Then we will get our answer. So fourth is we have to find GST amount. So GST amount is equal to, what we have got? 28 M upon 100. That will be, which is equal to 28 upon 100 into M, what we got? 40,000, which is equal to 28 into 400 is 11,200. So this is the GST amount we have got. Now what's the next one they have said? Total amount of GST we got. Now amount of CGST and amount of SGST, that both we have to find. Now amount of CGST will be what? It will be rate of CGST into taxable value. That earlier also we had written the formula. How for GST amount we wrote the formula? Rate of GST into taxable amount. See here how we wrote GST amount formula. Rate of GST into taxable amount. So same way, if we want to find CGST amount, we have to find. And CGST rate is already given to us 14%. That we can put that value here for the fifth one. And we will write CGST amount is equal to rate of CGST into taxable amount, which is equal to, CGST rate is given in the sum 14% into 40,000, which is equal to, that will be 14 4s are 56, 5,600. So CGST amount we have got. Now sixth one, what they are telling you? Find amount of SGST. Now this we can do it in two ways. Whichever way you like, you can do. Directly we can write amount of SGST is equal to amount of CGST. Or we can write SGST is half of GST. Okay. So 11,200 divided by 2. So whichever way you want, you can find SGST. So I'll just write it down. Or like this also it can be written, that rate of SCGST is equal to rate of SGST, that is 14%. So amount of SGST will be the same way we have to solve. So we can do it in any way, whichever way you want, you can solve. So I will just write and give you SGST amount is equal to, simplest one I'll give you, is equal to CGST amount. Both the amounts are same. Whatever is the SGST, same is the CGST. So SGST amount is equal to 5,600. This way you can finish the sixth one. Or if you want, you can write SGST amount is equal to half of GST amount. This alternative way I am showing you. SGST amount is equal to half into GST amount. And we could have used this for CGST amount also. This is also another formula you should know of solving in all different ways. Into, what is this? 11,200. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, which is equal to 5,600. So both the ways I have showed you how you can do by a half, and this we could have done it for this also, and like this also you should be able to do. Okay, because for 1 mark sum, if they will give you taxable value and rate, so you should be able to solve. And if they are giving you rate of CGST, find SGST, then so for 1 mark sum, if the concept is understood, whichever way you want, you can solve and get the answer.